Hello, everyone. This is a mini math workshop. I'm Waukesha, the founder of Real Estate Math Made Easy. I'm a wife, I'm a cook, and I love to teach math. I started Real Estate Math Made Easy group because I saw a lot of licensees to be failing the math on the exam. So I created a video, and off of that video, 4 people passed their exam. And as of today, July the 13th, I've helped 64 people pass their exams. Will you be next? So today we're going to talk about commission, loan amount, down payment, discount points, taxes, and assessed value. Okay. 2 brokers split a 5% commission on a $450,000 house. The selling broker's sales associate is paid 65% of the selling broker share. The listing broker's sales associate was paid 35% of the listing broker share. How much did the listing broker's sales associate receive? So the first thing we got to do is get total commission. So we multiply 450,000 times 5% or 0.05. And I have my handy dandy calculator. 450,000 times 5% is equal to 22,500. Now that we got the total commission, now what we need to do is the split. So divide 22,500 by 2. And when you do that, 22,500 divided by 2, you get 11,250. Now in this problem, it's asking how much did the listing broker sales associate receive. So what you'll do here is you'll cross out the selling broker's sales associate is paid 65% of the selling broker's share. They're only asking for the listing broker share of the commission. So what you'll do, the third step you'll do is multiply 11,250 by 35% or 0.35. So when you multiply 11,250 times 35%, that's $3,937.50. That is the list. That's how much the listing broker sales associate will receive. And that's how you do that one. Okay. Okay, for this one, the first problem says purchase price is equal to 405,000 with an LTV of 80%. What is the loan amount? So we multiply that purchase price, 405,000 times 80%. Get our loan amount. Loan amount. So 405,000 times 80%. That's 324,000. That's your loan amount. Okay. So Henrietta and James are being charged 3 discount points on a $225,000 loan. What is the amount the buyer will pay the lender to lower the interest rate? So for this one, we multiply 225,000 times 3%. or 0.03. That comes out to be $6,750. That is the amount they would have to pay to lower the interest rate. And that's how you do that one. Okay, the next one says Sam and Jane purchased a house for $395,000 at 80%. What is the down payment? So for this one, the lender is giving them an 80% loan. That means you gotta subtract 100% minus 80% equal to the down payment. So that would come out to be 20%. And then all you have to do is just multiply 395,000 times 20% equal to down payment. And that's equal to 79,000. That's the down payment. And that's how you do that one. Okay. Okay. This is the taxes and assessed value. It says the property has a value of $150,000, is assessed at 55%, and the property tax rate is $2.50 per $100. So the first thing we got to do is get the tax rate. Equal to, we got to divide $2.50 by 100. And when you divide $2.50 by 100, you get 0.025. Now we got to get the assessed value. And that's equal to 150,000 times 55%. So when you multiply those two together, 150,000 times 55%, that's 82,500. That's your assessed value. Now we got to get annual taxes. That's equal to that 82,500 times 0.025. So 82,500 times 0.025 is $2,062.50. That is your annual taxes. And that's how you do that one. It says, what is the monthly taxes based on the answer above? So for this one, what we'll do is just take that $2,062.50 and divide it by 12, equal your monthly taxes. Or divide it by 12, that'll be $171.88. That's your monthly taxes. And so what are the quarterly taxes? Take the $2,062.50 divided by 4. That's $515.63. That is your quarterly taxes. And that's how you do that one. Pretty simple, just have to follow the steps. right, this is commission. It says, what is the take-home pay on a commission rate that is 6% and total commission is 13,645, and there is a 70-30 split. So for this one, what you'll do is take that 13,645 and multiply it by 0.70 or 70%. That's equal to 13,645 times 70%. That'd be $9,551.50. That is your take-home pay. And I want to invite you to work with me to sign up for the real estate math group experience, where you'll get access to community, and we'll meet on Thursday night, and we'll go over the questions that you have questions on, the math that you have questions on, and you'll also get worksheets to go along with the program. And if you are taking your exam in 1 week or less, you can also sign up for the 2-hour accelerated math video with worksheets. The link is in the comments, and I look forward to helping you pass the math. All right, I'm signing off. Have a blessed day.